G'day guys, it's Hutch here from Farm Owners Academy. Just a shout out to let you know we've made 30 new places available at our upcoming 2-day Top Producers event in Canberra. Check out the details and get involved. This is an incredible program designed by Greg Johnson and Andrew Roberts, and he's getting incredible results for farming families who are committed to their own development in business and entrepreneurship, and who truly want to set down foundations to take their business to the next level. We'd love for you to start your journey in business improvement, in entrepreneurship, and in farm business development with us. We'd love to see you in June in Canberra for our 2-day Top Producers event. Details are within this post, and we look forward to having you involved in our community. Thank you guys. Bye for now.